Current Affairs, the 13th of April 2020. HRD Minister launches e-portal, Yukti. Union Minister for HRD Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a web portal Yukti, Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation, in New Delhi. It's a unique portal and dashboard to monitor and record the efforts and initiatives of MHRD. The portal intends to cover the different dimensions of COVID-19 challenges in a very holistic and comprehensive way. More than 5,000 crore rupees transferred to accounts of 7.15 crore beneficiaries of PMUY. Oil marketing companies have initiated transfer of 5,606 crore rupees to 7.15 crore Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana (PMUY) beneficiary accounts for availing free delivery of LPG cylinder under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package. Booking of 1.26 crore cylinders has been done in this month by the beneficiaries, out of which about 85 lakh cylinders have been delivered to PMUY beneficiaries. Center plans to set up 20 lakh Suraksha stores to supply daily essentials. Ahead of extending restrictions on the mobility of goods and persons amid COVID-19, the government plans to set up a chain of 20 lakh retail shops called Suraksha stores across India, which will provide daily essentials to citizens while maintaining stringent safety norms. Manipur government launches new initiative Food Bank. In Manipur, a new initiative titled Food Bank has introduced by Imphal East District Administration to provide immediate aid in the form of free food to the poor and needy who are facing scarcity of essential commodities due to the long statewide lockdown in view of the threat of COVID-19. UNIDO and CUTS sign agreement to counter economic impact of COVID-19. The United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, and the Consumer Unity and Trust Society, CUTS, have signed an agreement to empower consumers to contribute to the global development agenda as well as support their respective governments in times of global crisis. Kylie Jenner becomes the youngest self-made billionaire. As per Forbes' annual World's Billionaires list, the makeup and reality TV show entrepreneur Kylie Jenner became the youngest self-made billionaire with net worth of $1 billion. She is 22. Karnataka Bank reappoints MS Mahabaleshwara as MD and CEO. Private sector lender Karnataka Bank's board has reappointed its managing director and chief executive officer MS Mahabaleshwara for a further period of 3 years, and non-executive chairman P. Jayarama Bhatt till November 13, 2021. The appointments followed approval from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. KVIC develops double-layered khadi masks. Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC) has developed double-layered khadi masks and also procured orders for supplying them in large numbers. KVIC is specifically using double-twisted khadi fabric for manufacturing of these masks as it helps retain 70% of the moisture content inside, while providing an easy passage for the air to pass through, hence proving to be the best easily available, pocket-friendly alternative face masks, said V.K. Saxena, chairman, KVIC. Ahmedabad Railway Station gets first sanitizing tunnel. The Ahmedabad railway station at Kalapur has become the first in the country to install a walk-through mass sanitizing tunnel. The mass sanitizing tunnel is an attempt to ensure that the threat of COVID-19 does not affect the staff and passengers entering the Ahmedabad station at Kalapur. Recently, the entire station at Kalapur was sanitized by professionals with WHO-approved hot fogging and cold fogging. GMR Airports to develop and operate Bhogapuram Airport. GMR Airports Limited, a subsidiary of GMR Infrastructure Limited, said it has received the Letter of Award (LOA) for the development and operation of a Greenfield International Airport at Bhogapuram in Andhra Pradesh. IIT Bombay develops Smart Stethoscope. A team at the Indian Institute of Technology of Bombay, IITB, has developed a smart stethoscope that can listen to heartbeats from a distance and record them, minimizing the risk of healthcare professionals contracting the novel COVID-19 from patients. The data or the auscultated sound from a patient's chest is wirelessly sent to the doctor using Bluetooth. Prasara Bharati launches new channel, DD Retro. Public service broadcaster Prasar Bharati has launched a new channel specifically dedicated to old classics called DD Retro. The development comes as last week Doordarshan emerged as the most watched channel of India, with its viewership topping the charts and beating all other Hindi-centric channels when the epic Ramayana is aired. British comedian Tim Brooke-Taylor passes away at 79. Comedian and actor Tim Brooke-Taylor has died aged 79 after contracting COVID-19. Brooke-Taylor, who received an OBE for services to comedy in 2011, also featured on TV series At Last, the 1948 show with Monty Python stars John Cleese and Graham Chapman. Former South Africa cricketer Jackie du Preez passes away. Former South Africa spinner and Zimbabwe selector, John Harcourt du Preez has died at the age of 77 after prolonged illness. In a first-class career that lasted nearly 20 years, he scored more than 4,000 first-class runs, including a century, and took 296 wickets. He also took 80 catches.